every morning, a heart full of plans, courage and a little bit of greed. Something great is growing here, stone by stone, with people who are like family. Sometimes stubborn, sometimes full of brilliance. We fight, laugh, take every chance. Sometimes stormy, sometimes sunshine, but we pull through. We're never alone. NUSSLI isn't just a word, it's passion. A place that gives and takes with all our strength. With you I build dreams, piece by piece. We tear down walls, give every plan a piece of happiness. Oh, hey, strong together, hey, free together. NUSSLI, my team, my second home forever. We work loudly, we celebrate loudly. We're ready, I hope we'll be here together for a long time. Sometimes I hate the long days, but in the end the same question remains. Who else can do what we're doing here? Who sees visions and makes them rise again? Boys and girls, hand in hand, we move mountains, land after land. Even if it's sometimes difficult, we stick together every day, a piece of history, every step of flight. NUSSLI isn't just a word, it's passion. A place that gives and takes with all our strength. With you I build dreams, piece by piece. We tear down walls, give every plan a piece of happiness. Oh, hey, strong together, hey, free together. NUSSLI, my team, my second home forever. We work loudly, we celebrate loudly. We stand ready, I hope we'll be here together for a long time. The nights are long, the deadlines are tight, but our hearts beat loudly and firmly. We hand over on time, proudly and clearly, for customers, viewers, for the miracle that was NUSSLI. More than work, more than a term, it is love that drives us, our motive. Thank you for the good times, for the courage you show, for every word that lives and endures through us. NUSSLI is not just a word, it is passion. A place that gives and takes with all our strength. With you I build dreams, piece by piece. We tear down walls, give every plan a piece of happiness. Hey, strong together, hey, free together. NUSSLI, my team, my second home forever. We work loudly, we celebrate loudly. We stand ready, I hope we'll be here together for a long time. NUSSLI, NUSSLI, heart in hand, our beat, our band. Thank you for the time, for everything we build hand in hand. Thank you, NUSSLI, my team, my place, for the departure every day. For every little sentence, I'll stay with you as long as I can, because here is my heart. Here is my path.